What's up, everybody? It's Dave from Quarter Flips. Gonna get some work done today. I'm gonna have some fun doing it. Look at this weather. It's beautiful. It's beautiful here in the Pacific Northwest, quite suddenly. Gonna head over to the post office and drop these off. I don't have to wait in line because of my thermal printer. And then I'm gonna head up north to some shops, one pawn shop and maybe a couple other places that I have not been to in a long time, and check them out. See how they are for product. See if I can find some DVDs and maybe some other things that I'm not expecting. Since I'm gonna do that, I'm also gonna stop back in at Half Price Books, see if I can buy some magic cards for my buddy Justin from Ohio Hobbies. He saw a video that I made last week after I got the car back and I went and sold those books that were in the back seat. There were some magic cards in one of the cases with some price tags on them. He said he wanted those, and if he were here, he would have bought them. So I figure I can stop in and pick those up and send those over to him. And he said he would pay me back. Why not? Let's see if they're any good.
Order receipt, sir. Go ahead and tap the screen.
Oh no, I'm good. Can I just drop them off?
Yes.
So I actually did end up scanning those packages and getting receipts. It was interesting. You could do 7 at a time, but there was a thing on the screen that said it didn't qualify as receipt or a guarantee from the post office, that they had to be scanned a second time to actually be brought into the system. So all of the packages that I dropped off got scanned by me, but I don't know that it's any different than what I do at home with the service when I put the label on it. I don't know. I almost feel like that little barcode gun was just to make people feel better about dropping their packages off. It says, acceptance is conditional on your packages having a second scan event during processing. This scan does not provide a service or a delivery guarantee. That'll show them. I don't know if it's worth putting the club on my car every single time that I park it, but I am going to pawn shops up and down Aurora Avenue. So, yeah, I don't know. If it was going to get stolen, this would probably be one of the good places for it to get stolen. Anyway, I'm checking out a pawn shop. I've only ever been to this place once, so we'll have to see if there's anything in there. Looks like I did buy pretty much the only DVDs they had in the store. They also had a $1,200 original Nintendo Entertainment System in the box, the one with the light gun. It had been in pawn for 30 years. The person bought it new in the store, pawned it, kept paying on it. And I don't know what happens after 30 years. You die? I mean, it's out on the shelf. They want $1,200 for it. I don't know what it's worth, but they said the stuff inside is still in the original plastic, still in the original condition when it was bought brand new. I do not have $1,200 to spend on a Nintendo. Somebody out there might. If anybody's interested, get in touch. I'll let you know where this place is. They said they would ship it too. What did I buy? I bought a bunch of Micro Dirty Jobs DVDs, 6 of them, a 6 DVD set. I don't know. I saw sold comps on that for $30. I got them for $1 a piece, so it seemed like the thing to do. On to the next spot. Let's see what we can hook up for Justin with these magic cards. All right, 6 packs of random Magic the Gathering cards for $9 a pack. I don't know anything about Magic cards. Kind of wish I did, but it has felt daunting to try to swim in those waters. Is that a good deal? Let me know what you think. I'm gonna send these off to Justin. Hopefully he'll be happy. Let's get on to the next shop. Next stop, Value Village. It's been a long time since I was in this place. Last time I was here, I remember thinking they were way overpriced. So let's see what happens. All right, I did buy a handful of things in there. Hold on, there's a little bit of a cluster here. I'll throw this stuff on the hood, we'll take a look at it. First off, a Runaway Ralph Dvd, $2.99. It's got a bonus story. It's a live action version, even though it looks like it would be a cartoon. I remember liking this when I was younger. This may be a remake from later on when I wasn't younger, I don't know. But looks like that should sell for about 12 bucks. Got a copy of She's All That, but it's brand new and sealed. I don't like this movie at all, but there's a lot of good jokes that come from this movie, like, you know, you just put glasses and frumpy clothes on a girl and she's not good looking. They make fun of that a lot in Not Another Teen Movie, which is a movie I like a lot. Anyway, $3, I can probably get 10 to 12 for this. Blood and Concrete VHS. This is a great movie. 99 cents. I would have bought this for 99 cents just to watch it in my VCR at home. But it looks like I could probably sell that for 10 to 15 bucks. And Dunderklumpen. I have no idea. I have no idea. There were no comps on this thing. I saw this on TV when I was a small child, and it has haunted me for my entire life. And now I'm gonna get to watch it again. All right, one last spot. So this is a pawn shop I have not been to in a long time. I know they have DVDs here. I'm not sure how many. I'm not sure what kind of prices. So I'm gonna go check this one out. Oh boy. This could take a while. I'm losing the battery power here, but I'll show you the stuff that I bought in there real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 DVDs, $1.50 each. King of the Hammer, Second Crusade, that's some off-road thing. There were no comps on that, but people do have it listed for a fair amount of money, so I figured I'd give that a shot. Miracle Mile, I like that movie. The Beef and The Beef 2. I think this is about hip-hop feuds. Anyway, these are gonna go for, I don't know, together, I guess it'll probably go for like 12, 15 bucks. Lives of Others. Always love seeing that for $1.50. I think I just sold one of these for like 15 bucks a few days ago. Sealed, The Bumblebee Flies. Anyway, this doesn't go for a lot, but it's kind of a cool little Elijah Wood movie. Monument Ave. This is probably the score of the day. I don't even remember this movie. Ted Demme film, Dennis Leary. This goes for like between 20 and 30 bucks. This is a joke. And Extreme Days. It looks like this one goes for 14 to 20 bucks, somewhere in there, 15 to 20 dollar range. And then this, it's Bed of Roses, Pump Up the Volume. I like Pump Up the Volume and kind of want to watch it again. And oh, hey Crows. What's up, guy? What y'all upset about? Anyway, back to business here. My buddy Matt and I, we went on this double date with our ladies back when Bed of Roses was in the theater, and we thought it would be a good idea to go see Bed of Roses. We thought that would be a cool idea, and that was over 20 years ago. I think Bed of Roses came out over 20 years ago, and I still hear about how bad of an idea that was. Yeah, so if anything, I could just take this home and show it to Michael Ann, and she will laugh or explain something, you know, terrible about me. I'll see if I can get that on film. So this is the last stop of the day. It's a Habitat for Humanity store. Now I've seen other people on YouTube go into these stores in different states, and they've been pretty awesome. I didn't even know we had these here, and I didn't know I had one so close to home. So I'm gonna go in there and check it out and see what I can find. I have no idea what to expect. Well, that's the last stop. I was not impressed with any of the prices on anything in there. In terms of reselling, I think it's great if you needed those items, which is what it's for, I guess. If you were building something, if I had any need to get tiles or window frames or tools or any of the things they have in there, I'd probably come here to shop. It's pretty awesome, but there wasn't really anything that I could flip, and that's fine. Not every store is for that purpose. I did pick up this BRW Diversified Emergency Survival Blanket. I had just watched a video about these blankets a while back. Thought, you know, if I run into one of those when I'm out, I'll pick one up. So put my $250 in to Habitat for Humanity store. This will go in our emergency bug out kit at home. Oh, and I almost forgot, I'm supposed to be showing my sales. Here are the sales that have come in this week since the last video I put up. Start with items from Discogs. See You Broken, A Thief, a Poet, an Enemy CD, brand new, still sealed, $3.99 plus shipping. Mariachi El Bronx promo CD sealed, that's $7.99 plus shipping. Jesu self-titled CD, $14.99 plus shipping. BJ Thomas Christmas is Coming Home, $4.99. That sold with this Rick Steves European Christmas, $5.99. And Billy Crash Craddock's Boom Baby Boom. All of those together were one order with shipping on top. Got a Creedence Clearwater Revival Chronicle CD. That went for $2.99 plus shipping. This San Francisco Symphony sealed CD. Hybrid multi-channel something or other. Michael Tilson Thomas. That went for $12.99. And Sam Cooke Portrait of a Legend. That went for $14.99. Sold the Best of Michael card LP. Yeah, I wasn't even sure about listing this one. It ended up going for $4.99 plus shipping. Don't want to do much cheaper on LPs just because the packaging is, you've got to pack these up pretty well to ship them well. So this is like pretty much as far down the line as I want to go for shipping a 12-inch. But that's cool. $4.99 plus shipping on Discogs. And Wilco Schmilco LP. That went for $12.99 plus shipping. Moving on over to eBay, but still staying in the music realm. Here's a Murray Pariah? I don't know. It's Beethoven double CD. That went for $9.99 plus shipping. Got some discount makeup. 2 e.l.f. Perfect Blend Concealer Light Beige. Set of 2 went for $5.99 plus shipping. And of course, a bunch of DVDs. The Assignment, $7.99. Paint Your Wagon, $9.99. Pollyanna, 2-disc set on Disney, $9.99. Cue the Winged Serpent, $9.99. The Gospel of Mark, Walmart exclusive, $10.99. Caged, $14.99. Velvet Underground, Velvet Redux, live show I believe, $14.99. And Cowboy Bebop the movie, $19.99. Each one of these was shipping included in the price. And lastly on eBay today, a couple of video games. Call of Duty 2, Game of the Year Edition for PC, $14.99, shipping included in that one. And 3 Leapfrog Leap TV games in the package. This went for $34.99, shipping included. So that's it. That's it for today. I'm going to go home. Didn't really expect to be buying a lot today, but I did get a pretty good amount of stuff. I'm going to make a couple $100 off the things that I picked up today, at least. And, you know, I also managed to pick up those cards for Justin, so feels like a pretty good day so far, and I've still got hours and hours of listing I'm going to be doing this afternoon, so yeah, it's a good one. Thank you for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Hey, Michael Ann. Look at this DVD that I got.
Oh, God, really? Okay, one of them great, but Bed of Roses? Seriously, one of the worst movies ever made.
I told you so.